Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see a glance of SAS criterion for similarity of triangles. So here let us consider two triangles. Label them as ABC and DEF. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. In this, the given condition is one angle, that means angle A equal to angle D, and the sides including those angles. These angles are equal, sides including means here AB upon means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. This is given. So let us take it as equation number 1. And required to prove, we can write to prove. Here both the triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF is to be proved. Now this is our task or target. Now for this we need to do a small construction where locate P on DE and locate Q on DF such that AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, then join PQ. Right? Now here this is our construction. AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So let us take it as equation number 2. Join PQ. Now here we are going to enter the proof. In this proof you see, let us go back to the given condition. Here the given condition is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Now here let us compare this step with equation 2. In simple, compare equation 1 with equation 2. So here what we get here, you see, AB can be replaced with DP by, let us maintain the DE as it is, and AC can be replaced with DQ by, let us maintain DF as it is. Now you compare this ratio. Here you see DP by DE equal to DQ by DF, means when ratios are equal, lines are parallel. This is by converse of BPT. So lines are parallel. So we can say PQ is parallel to EF. When PQ is parallel to EF, their corresponding angles are equal. Angle P equal to angle E, angle Q is equal to angle F. Let us take it as equation number 1 over 2 over, and then here let us take it as equation number 3. Now here angle P equal to angle E, angle Q equal to angle F we got. Now we enter these triangles, original triangles ABC and DPQ. Let us compare now. In ABC, AB is equal to DPQ, DP. Same way in this angle A, in ABC, in triangle DPQ, angle D, both are equal, and AC equal to DQ. These two are by construction and this is by given. So we can say from in simple from 1 and 2, by given and construction, these two triangles are by SIS congruency, both are congruent. So we can say by SIS congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. When two triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. So here we can say angle A equal to angle D, for angle B angle P, and for angle C is equal to angle Q. Now let us take it as equation number 4. Now you compare 3 and 4. Here angle A equal to D, let us write as it is, whereas here angle B equal to angle P, whereas here angle P equal to angle E. Therefore angle B equal to angle E. Angle B equal to angle E. Same way, here angle C equal to angle Q, where angle Q equal to angle F. So here angle C equal to angle F. Angle C equal to angle F. Now you observe this final step clearly. You compare triangle ABC with triangle DEF. Let us remove PQ now. Now this work is over. Now let us remove this PQ completely. Now you compare the Step what we obtained with the actual triangles. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal by A similarity, we can say triangle by A similarity, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is what we need to prove. See, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence proved. Now we see a problem based on this criterion. Here is the problem. From the given triangles, find X, Y and A. See here, these are the given triangles, whereas X is here, Y and A. Whereas X and Y are the angles and A is one of the sides. Now here, how to decide for which criterion it belongs to? If you take 60, for 60 you see 7 cm, 5 cm, both the values are given. But in this triangle there is no 60 degrees. Now here let us go back to 40 degrees. For 40, 7 cm and 6 cm. Here we have 40, one side 3 cm, other side 3.5 cm. Here you have to understand on what basis we can take the sides. Here you see, is there any relation or is there any ratio between 3 and 7 and 3.5 and 6? Or you think, is there any relation or ratio between 3 and 6 and 3.5 and 7? Yes, here we get 6 is twice of 3, 7 is twice of 3.5, whereas the included angle is 40, here also included angle is 40. So here we should redraw the triangles so that they appear similar. So here let us redraw the triangles. We continue. BC 6 cm as it is, and here CA is also 5 and AB is 7. So here I am not going to disturb triangle ABC. Here this is 5 cm, here AB is 7 cm, here angle A is 60 degrees, here angle B is 40 degrees. There is no change at all. Now here let us, here we have to move the triangle in such a way that this 40 should be coincide to this corner. That means here angle Q should come here. Means here we can draw QR is 3. So here I am taking, this is QR, Q and R, which is 3 centimeter, and here angle Q is 40 and this RP, here angle Q is 40, and what are the other values are known? PQ, here PQ is 3.5, so this value is 3.5 centimeter. PQR, QR and PR, here PR is A, so I am writing this as small a. And angles, angle P is X, so here this is X. Angle Q is 40, here angle Q is 40. Angle R is Y, so here angle R is Y. Right? Now here these two, they both look similar, and here we should write on what basis they are similar, on what criterion. So here let us write from triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? AB by PQ, if you consider those values, that is 7 by 3.5. On cancellation we get 3.5 1 jar, 3.5 2 jar, so it is 2. AB by PQ is 2. Same way here BC by QR, here BC is 6, QR is 3, is equal to 6 by 3, 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar, this is also 2. So here we get AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. here these are side and side, these two are the sides are proportional, and here angle here angle B 40, angle Q 40, so angle B is equal to angle Q. These are all the conditions we got here. Since by given this is angle, that too here you see for 7 and 3 point, for 7 and 6 this is including angle. For 3.5 and 3, here we see we have taken 3.5 and 3, this is including angle. So by SAS similarity criterion, by SAS side angle side similarity criterion, both the triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then we know if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional and also corresponding angles are equal. So here we write first corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So let us write here x equal to 60. X equal to 60. We are asked to find x, y and a, in which we got x value. Now here let us replace this x value with 60. Now in triangle PQR, let us apply angle sum property. So from triangle PQR, by angle sum property, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. Here I am writing by angle sum property. Sum of the three angles is 180. That means here angle P is x, x means 60, 60 plus Q, Q is 40 plus angle R, R is y is equal to 180 degrees. 60 degrees plus 40 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 40 is 100. Let us sum 100, that's it. So y equal to 180 minus 100, nothing but 80 degrees. So we got y value also. Now are due to find A. Since both the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us apply that. Second one, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. That means here we can take AB by PQ. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. So here already we have found the ratios. AB by PQ is 2, BC by QR is also 2. So let us take in place of these two values at least one value we can take, that I am taking as 2. Here AC is 5 by PR is A. On cross multiplication, 2A is equal to 5. When 2A is 5, then A is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore A is equal to 2.5. As you see, corresponding sides are in centimeter, so it is 2.5 centimeter. That means here finally we are asked to find values of x, y and a, whereas x equal to 60 degrees, y equal to 80 degrees and a is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So with this problem based on SAS similarity criterion gets completed.